Over in Pakistan, the debate is more existential. It's about their economy. The caretaker Prime Minister has made a big claim. He says Saudi Arabia and the UAE are planning to invest in Pakistan. How much money? Around $25 billion each. So that's $50 billion. But that's not all. He says this investment will be made in the next 5 years. Impressive, right? Well, if it happens, yes. But not everyone is buying the Prime Minister's claim, and I'll tell you why. For starters, Saudi Arabia and the UAE have not confirmed it. And we are talking about $50 billion, so official confirmation helps. Secondly, Pakistan's track record does not inspire confidence. Let's face it, when you think foreign investment, Pakistan does not come to mind. It is politically unstable, it is home to multiple terror groups, and the human resource is not well utilized. The numbers reflect this. Since 1970, Pakistan has received foreign investment worth $60 billion. 60. That's $60 billion in 50 years. Now compare that with the new target, $50 billion in 5 years. So you understand why people are wary. Nonetheless, let's go by what the Prime Minister is saying. Where will this investment go? He mentioned a handful of sectors like mines, minerals, defense, and information technology. The timing of the claim is also important. Over the weekend, Pakistan's army chief met business leaders. He said something similar. General Asim Munir claimed that Pakistan will attract investments worth $100 billion. And now the Prime Minister has jumped on. Both their claims are very similar, but the question is, where is this confidence coming from? Apparently, natural resources. The Prime Minister says Pakistan is home to vast untapped resources. How much are they worth? According to him, $6 trillion. $6 trillion worth of natural resources in Pakistan. Islamabad is hoping that rich countries will invest and exploit these resources. Well, China has already pumped in billions. So their next hope is West Asia. Oil-rich kingdoms like Saudi Arabia and the UAE, they have helped Pakistan in the past. For instance, in July, Riyadh gave financial assistance worth $2 billion. But there's a difference. That was help. This is investment we are talking about. And when you invest, you expect some returns. You expect to make profits. And that's where Pakistan could have trouble. Now, imagine you're an investor. You're looking for places to invest. What will your wish list look like? I'm guessing somewhere politically stable, where electricity is cheap, where labor is skilled, and where infrastructure is top-notch. Does any of this remind you of Pakistan? Their traders organized a nationwide strike last week. Thousands of shops were shuttered. Angry mobs are protesting the rising inflation. Power bills have doubled in the last 3 months. Fuel prices have topped 300 Pakistani rupees. That's a record in the country's history. You can see the outrage in these pictures. People are burning tires on the streets. They're attacking power company workers. And chances are this crisis will only escalate. There is now talk of a water shortage in Karachi. The city's pumping station has run out of electricity. No electricity, no pumps. No pumps, no water. The authorities are trying to fix this issue. But reports say at least parts of Karachi will experience water shortage. And that's a double whammy. No power, no water. And Karachi is supposed to be Pakistan's commercial capital. This city alone makes up 20% of Pakistan's GDP. They don't have water or power. And if this is the condition in Karachi, you can imagine the rest of Pakistan. So simply talking about billion-dollar investments is not enough. You need to lay a solid foundation. You need to invest in people and infrastructure. Only then will growth be sustainable. Also, Islamabad needs to ask itself one important question. Who is this growth for? For the people of Pakistan or for foreign powers? Because we've seen what happened with China. They brought their own workers to Pakistan. They exploited the natural resources of the country, and now there is resentment. Locals say the investment from China is not helping them. So headline announcements will not cut it. Pakistan's economic crisis is the symptom of a deeper problem. Petrodollars can hide it, but not solve it.